Offering the versatility of dual-mode operation, the DeWalt DWD-520K half-inch VSR pistol grip hammer drill kit is a powerful tool with easy handling. An all-metal gear housing increases durability and heat dissipation in repetitive drilling, while its user-friendly design features let you work comfortably, longer. This kit includes a heavy-duty box for storage and portability, as well as 360-degree locking side handle, steel depth rod, and chuck key withholder. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price. The DeWalt DWD-520K half-inch VSR pistol grip hammer drill's powerful performance is provided by a robust, 10-amp motor with a patented DeWalt exclusive design that generates 50% more power and increased overload protection. The result is enhanced productivity, durability, and value. Dual mode feature and 2-speed range for work with various materials. As versatile as it is powerful, the DWD-520K offers the convenience of a dual-mode feature that lets you handle hammer drilling as well as a range of drilling applications in masonry, wood, or steel. Specifically, it offers a half-inch capacity in steel, 1/2-inch capacity in wood, and 5/32 to 7/16 inch capacity in concrete, so you're ready to take on a variety of jobs. And you'll enjoy increased control with a 2-speed range. 0 to 1200 0 to 3500 revolutions per minute, that gives you greater control in high-speed, high-torque applications. Comfortable, lightweight design for all-day jobs. To keep you working comfortably, the DWD-520K has a soft grip handle, 2-finger trigger for precision, and a 360-degree locking side handle with soft grip for greater control and versatility. It also weighs in at just 6 pounds and measures a compact 14 inches long for lightweight handling that minimizes stress on wrists and hands, and easy portability. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price.